In this video, we will show how one can create and use Asana templates. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. This is what the user interface of Asana looks like. The dashboard is where you can see all the upcoming tasks, overview tasks and completed tasks. On the right side of the dashboard is the projects. From here the list of all the previously made projects can be seen, or a new project can be created. One can choose from the three options: the blank form, or use a template or import from a spreadsheet. Let's use a template from the library here. The new interface will appear. Here on the left side, one can choose from the pre-built Asana templates according to the requirements and process accordingly. There are a number of options for the template, for example a template for marketing, a template for campaign, a template for seasonal marketing campaign, a template for internal enablement training program, template for training engagement, agency template, collaboration template, and so on. The list of templates is very long. One can choose from various options and proceed accordingly. Cross-team planning, ticket tracking, etc. These templates have their own predefined subheadings of tasks and subtasks, accordingly for one to choose. There are other templates for different segments such as meeting agendas, sales, marketing, and IT project plans. That include stand-up meeting, bug tracking, engineering project plan. Also, one can get templates for marketing, HR and for designs as well. Templates are a brilliant way to save time, minimize mistakes and delegate work. Asana makes sure to increase usability, access, and much more. Contact Software Horsepower for free demo and best offers.